In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include color in Airtable records. By the end, you'll know how to add a simple, color-coded label to your records, so priorities or categories stand out at a glance. Start by opening the Airtable base and the specific table where you want to use color. Make sure you're in a view where you can see your fields across the top. Grid view is perfect. If you're collaborating, confirm you have permission to edit fields so your changes stick for everyone. Next, we're going to create the field that powers the color labels. Click the plus button at the far right of your existing fields to add a new one. From the Field Type menu, choose Single Select. This field type lets you define a set list of options, and each option can have its own color. It's the easiest, most reliable way to display consistent color across your records. Now add your options. A common use is priority, so type in high priority, medium priority, and low priority. Keep your option names short and clear so they're easy to scan. You can always rename or reorder them later if you change your mind. Assign a color to each option so the meaning is instantly recognizable. A proven pattern is red for high, yellow for medium, and green for low. Click each option's color picker and set those colors. If your team prefers a different palette, that's fine. Just stay consistent so everyone understands. For accessibility, consider choosing colors with strong contrast and remember that labels are also readable by name, not just by color. When your options and colors look good, click Create Field to save. You'll see a new column in your table with the option pills, each carrying the color you chose. You can drag this column to place it where it's most visible and adjust the width if your option names are long. To apply the colors to your records, click into the new field on a record and select the appropriate option from the dropdown. Repeat for each record you want to label. As soon as you choose an option, Airtable displays a colored pill right in the cell, making your priorities jump off the page. To move faster, you can copy and paste an option to multiple cells or use Shift-click to select a range and fill them with the same choice. That's it. Your records now carry clear, consistent, color-coded labels. Later on, you can sort, filter, or group by this field to bring even more structure to your workflow. Thanks for watching.